If you want to set your own photo as a wallpaper on Google Pixel 11, you can, for example, go to Settings on your phone. Then over here in Settings, we want to go to Wallpaper and Style. And then in here, we can tap on More Wallpapers. Now at the top here, we have Choose a Photo, so let's tap here. And then you can use these folders or categories in order to search for the picture that you wish to set as a wallpaper on your phone. So let's say I'm gonna choose maybe this one over here. There we go. Now we can also tap on the wallpaper to, for example, on the preview in order to, let's say, zoom in or zoom out. You can also adjust the position of the wallpaper so you can move it around, and then tap on this check once you are done with the adjustment. You can also find effects here at the bottom. So if you tap here, you will need to wait a couple of seconds. And there we go, we have a couple of different options to choose from, like for example, the shape that we want to apply, and the color of the background as well. So let's say I'm gonna choose this red one. We can also adjust the brightness of that color. We can go to weather as well. So instead of using a shape, you can apply a weather effect. So for example, we have a fog, we have a rain, snow, sun, and there we go. We can adjust the intensity of that as well. And if you go to cinematic, you can download effects to add a 3D motion to this photo. So if you want to, you can of course download it and give it a try. But essentially that is all. I'm gonna actually exit these effects. I don't want to apply any of them, and let's just go next. Then you can decide if you want to set the wallpaper on the lock screen or home screen or both, and then use the apply button. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.